Hello everyone, this is Tariq Mahmood, your Chinese language teacher and instructor, and today we are going to start our HSK lessons. So this is the first lesson, and in this lesson we will learn pinyin, and pinyin includes initials, finals, and tones. So let's begin with initials, but make sure to repeat with me each alphabet. Okay, so now let's start. For for more for the th n l g k h j q x zh ch sh r z s s ya wa. So now you need to repeat this again. So now let's play this video again and repeat it. So after this initials, we have finals and tones. So finals are a, o, e, u, u. So listen it carefully again and repeat it. Because if you mix these pronunciation and sounds, it will be difficult for you in future. After the finals, we have tones in Chinese language. So basically there are four tones in Chinese language. First is flat, second tone is rising, third tone is fallen rising, and fourth is fallen. Now listen the example carefully how you can distinguish these tones. First of all, we also use these tones but we never focus on this. Now suppose you are asking someone's name. What is your name? So here suppose we are using a flat tone. Now suppose you got a news of someone's accident, that hey man, your friend's got accident. You suddenly say what? So it will be like a rising tone. Okay. Now suppose your friend is telling you something fishy, like hey man, you have a girlfriend. So here we are actually using the fallen rising tone, and the fourth tone is like suppose I hope it will never happen in your life, but suppose that you got someone's death news, that hey man, you know that your friend's mother just passed away. So you will say, oh, hmm, what? So we just like grief in grief. So these are the tones. Another example of these tones are like flat tone is like hmm, rising is hmm, third is hmm, and fourth is hmm. Now let's have an example of final on these tones. Now the tone is on vowel A, and we can say these finals also vowels. So if the tone is on, so the tone is on A will be pronounced like ah, ah. You have to repeat with me this. First tone on A will be pronounced like and also use your hands on this. Now second, uh, uh. Now third one, uh, uh. Now fourth, uh. Now if you can pronounce initials and finals and tones now, so you have a test. This is a sentence in Chinese language. Now let's see if you can pronounce it or not. So pause the video here and try to pronounce it. Okay, so if you pronounce this, this is very good. But if you can't, let me pronounce it for you. This sentence is pronounced like 你叫什么名字?你叫什么名字? Okay, so this means what is your name? So you can simply reply it like 我叫 Tariq. Actually, my name is Tariq, so I can say this. If your name is Tariq, so you can say this, but you have to put your name here. So you can say 你叫什么名字? And in reply, you will say 我叫 your name. Okay, so I hope you will find this video helpful. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like this channel, and also hit the bell icon, because I am going to continue this series of HSK level 1. So till then, take care and 再见. So 再见 means goodbye. See you next time.